Hi everyone, welcome to Medscholar. This video is all about COVID-19 vaccines in India. This is a very important topic and this video is going to be helpful for all the medical students in their theory exams and also for entrance exams. And I think this video can also serve some bullet points for UPSC candidates. So usually such topics are fact based and there is nothing more to understand. That's why I have made the slide including only bullet points, which I think would be important for your exam point of view. Link for the slides is provided in the description. Without further delay, let's start. The references for this video has been taken from WHO and ICMR. To begin with, let's try to fit this vaccine in the definition of vaccine. Vaccine is defined as a substance used to stimulate immunity to a particular infectious diseases. In this case, it is COVID-19, typically prepared from an inactivated or weakened form of causative agent or from its constituents. Most of the COVID-19 vaccines uses severe acute respiratory distress syndrome coronavirus 2 spike protein as a primary antigen target. Antibodies, when bind to spike protein, it prevents the virus attachment and entry into the host cell. This graphic shows a variant of COVID virus and it shows the spike proteins. List of vaccines available in India are Covaxin, CORBEVAX, Covidshield, ZyCov D, Gemcovac 19, Covovax and Sputnik V. To begin with, we'll start with Covaxin. The scientific name for Covaxin is BBV152. It contains a whole virion inactivated SARS-CoV-2 antigen. Dose is usually given intramuscularly and it is 0.5 ml, 2 doses 20 days apart, and booster is given after 4 to 6 months. It is usually stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. The efficacy is 77.8% against symptomatic COVID and 93.4% against severe symptomatic COVID. Side effects include local site pain, swelling, headache, fever, and vomiting. It is India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine and it is developed in Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR and National Institute of Virology. Next is CORBEVAX. It is a protein subunit vaccine and it uses spike protein as we already seen. This is 0.5 ml intramuscular, 2 doses 4 weeks apart, stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Side effect is fever, headache, nausea, vomiting, and body pain. Efficacy is 90% effective against one variant and more than 80% against Delta variant. It was developed in Texas Children's Hospital. Moving ahead with Covidshield, it is based on the recombinant ChAd-OX1 adenoviral vector encoding the spike protein against SARS-CoV-2. Dose is same, 0.5 ml, 2 doses, 4 to 12 weeks apart. Here, important thing is the side effect. It is rare but important: thrombosis and thrombocytopenia accompanied by bleeding. Its frequency is 0.5 to 6.8 cases per lakh vaccination. It usually presents as venous thrombosis, but arterial can also occur. It is associated with antiplatelet 4 factor antibodies leading to platelet activation and consumption. The same antibodies are seen in heparin-induced thrombocytopenia. Next is ZyCov D. D here stands for intradermal, and this is the first vaccine given intradermal, 3 doses intradermal using PharmaJet needle-free system. It is world's first plasmid DNA vaccine authorized for COVID-19. Next is Gemcovac 19. It is the first mRNA vaccine developed in India, and it is the third mRNA vaccine approved in world. Next is Covovax. It is developed by Novax USA, and in India it is prepared by Serum Institute. Dose is same. The side effect here to remember is myocarditis and pericarditis. Next is Sputnik V. It uses adenovirus as vector, type 26 and 5. Vector codes for spike protein again, and it was developed by Russian State Institute of Gamaleya National Research Center. So that's it. These were the bullet points for the COVID vaccines in India. Thank you for watching the video and please do subscribe.